Natasha joining us now, and for some reason you have a large beer glass with you.
It looks like it could be, and
Oh.
honestly, fill it with what you like. We're trying to fill it with some rain. So I just want to show you how much rain we've had so far this month. Yeah, you're gonna have to squint. You're gonna have to really squint because it's not much. 5/100ths of an inch so far. So that takes you in this bottom tier right here. You can barely make it out. I'm gonna find a way to pour in some colorful liquid in here so you can see it better. It's not much at all. This little piece, we're talking about a finger thick of rainfall so far this month. August is not our rainiest month, but we're going to get into our big deficit so far. We are missing for the water year. For the water year, we are missing almost 8.7 inches of rain. That is significant. And it all went downhill. We were doing really good January and February, and then it just went downhill as we got into March. March, we started with our first month for the year 2021 with below normal rainfall. We were down below normal by a little bit more than 2 inches. Okay, well, we still have April. Certainly April will give us something. No, we were below normal by 2.3 inches. We only picked up 4/10 of an inch for the month of April. April was the driest on record. May, for Portland anyway, May, we had a deficit of almost 2 inches. We get to June. Now June, it's just like all bets are off. We're already into the dry season. June, we had a deficit of roughly 4/10 of an inch. So let's talk about things for us today. Another warm-ish day. But at this point in time, we're a little bit below normal temperature-wise by just a couple of degrees. We expect to get a little bit cooler tomorrow and Friday. The possibility of drizzle. Here's the deal. It's great to get, these systems coming through, but when it only produces drizzle, that doesn't help our cause. We need something more significant to come through. So let's talk about air quality and your smoke forecast. Here's where we are right now. Notice it's kind of hazy out there. We also have some low-lying clouds trying to kind of spill in. By the time we get to tomorrow, all that moves on out to the east side of the Cascades and stays there, and that's where some of the worst air quality will be, out to the east and southeast down towards Medford. Let's take a look at it. You can see right there, air quality forecast. So all green represents good air quality. This takes us through tomorrow morning about 10 o'clock. Areas in yellow represent moderate air quality. Areas in red represent unhealthy air. That would be closest to those wildfires, of course. So how are we doing so far? Temperature-wise in Portland, 79 degrees. Wind is very light out of the north at just 5 miles per hour. Your temperatures tonight will be in the upper 60s. Now here's our chance to see a little bit of rain. Can we measure it? It's possible. A better bet really along the coast, maybe 1/10 of an inch, taking us through tomorrow afternoon. But anything we get tonight, I really don't think it's going to be anything more than a trace tonight. But if we get into Thursday night and add Friday morning, we might be able to measure maybe a few hundredths of an inch in Portland. Still not much overall. You look to the coast, now we're talking about possibly getting up to about 2/10 of an inch right around Tillamook. Nothing expected for you, though, east of the Cascades. Here's the pattern that we're going to be seeing for the next couple of days. A little bit cooler Thursday, Friday, and then we get into the weekend, a little momentary ridge. Temperatures rise briefly, and then we get on to a pretty cool start as we get into the first week of September. Yes, 7-day forecast looks like this. We're in the mid-70s, Saturday, 86, 84 Sunday, last breath of summer, or at least it seems like it. And then we get to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we're in the mid to low 70s.
It'll be interesting to see what September's like, because that can be very warm around here.
Yes.
Thanks, Natasha. Coming up.